So Emily, this is your puppy here. She's playing with our helper Twyla, and you can see just how tiny she is. Let me see if I can get you a face shot too. There you are. There's your puppy. Puppies, puppies, puppies. There you are. Her tail is just a wagging, and she loves to run and play. She's just a fun little loving one.